English-Belarusian verb boost. Make, do equals.
Рабіць.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. Today you'll master the Belarusian verb for make, do, fast and with laughs. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Your goal. Link English make, do to Belarusian.
Рабіць.
In all the handy forms you actually use. Keywords today. Make, I do, he does, it makes, we do, you, plural, do. By the end, you'll comfortably say things like
Я.
my homework and
Ми робимо.
dinner together. Your goal today. You'll hear, repeat, and use friendly forms you can say right now. Base verb.
Рабіць.
Equals make, do. I do.
Я.
You, singular, do.
Ти робиш.
He does.
Я робить.
She does.
Я не робить.
It makes, does.
Це робить.
We do.
Ми робимо.
You, plural, do.
Вони.
They do.
Я не роблять.
Comedy Kitchen, tiny dialogue. Listen in and repeat the Belarusian parts out loud. Yes, you. A. I'll start. I do the salad.
Я роблю салату.
B. Great, he does the pasta.
Він робить пасту.
A. The blender? It makes noise.
Це робить шум.
B. Team power, we do it together.
Ми робимо це разом.
A. Calling the crew, you, plural, do dessert.
Ви робите десерт.
Narrator. Multitasking legend, she does the playlist.
Я не робить плейліст.
All. Planning mode, make a plan.
Робіть план.
High five. Rapid forms jam. Chant the forms with me, rhythm helps memory. Make, do equals.
Робіть.
I do equals.
Я.
You, SG, do equals.
Ти робиш.
He does equals.
Він робить.
She does equals.
Я не робить.
It makes equals.
Це робить.
We do equals.
Ми робимо.
You, place, do equals.
Вони.
They do equals.
Я не роблять.
Now the joke. A rabbit chef says, I make soup.
Я роблю суп.
He's a raw big chef. Call and response. You answer. I say English, you fire back in Belarusian. Ready? Make a plan. Say.
Робіть план.
I do my homework.
Я роблю хатняє задання.
He does it fast.
Він робить це хутко.
It makes coffee.
Це робить каву.
We do dinner.
Ми робимо вечерю.
You, plural, do great work.
Ви робите видатну працю.
They do exercises.
Вони роблять практиковані.
Tiny culture tip. Learn a bit of culture while you learn the verb. In Belarus, crafts and teamwork are big. Makers in Minsk love to do and create together. Say, we do it together.
Ми робимо це разом.
If a gadget helps, you'll hear, it makes life easier.
Це робить життя легчейшим.
Speed quiz. Quick checks. Say it out loud. I'll reveal the Belarusian after a pause. Q1. He does. A.
Він робить.
Q2. We do. A.
Ми робимо.
Q3. You, plural, do. A.
Вони.
Q4. It makes noise. A.
Це робить шум.
Q5, I do. A.
Я
Final challenge. Big finish. Build a mini speech using today's forms. Say this with me. I do what I can, we do it together, and it makes us happy.
Я роблю все, що можу. Ми робимо гэта разом. І гэта робіць нас щасливими.
Bonus lines. You, plural, do amazing work.
Ви робіце цудовну працю.
She does the intro music.
Яна робить уступну музику.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Рабіць.
Every day, make, do, repeat. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons, exercises, and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.